What is up? How's it going? BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, Blue Crew community, all the communities out there. Guys, welcome. Happy Monday, y'all. Welcome to another DL Talk. How's everybody doing out there? What's up, Blue Crew? Appreciate everybody tuning in. Appreciate your guys' support. Appreciate you guys smashing the likes on the way in. Thanks for your support, Blue Crew. Who do we got in the chat? We got Evan XRP, Squirrely Crypto, RPM, the Crypto Sniper, get him. Work until I die, just in time for the lunch break. Awesome, my man. Stovetop 77, Paul Chrisman, Humte, how you doing, man? Good to see you, man. Guys, 14 likes already to start off the stream with 12 strong viewers. Appreciate your support. As always, Blue Crew, you guys are amazing. How was your guys' weekend? Sorry I didn't stream yesterday, y'all. It was my birthday yesterday, and it was a wonderful birthday. One for the books, without a doubt. And I appreciated the support from the Blue Crew the day before on the pre-birthday stream. You guys are amazing, man. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Always good times with the Blue Crew. Russell C, how you doing, man? Hey, I see Apollo's moving over there for you, Russell C. Nice to see, man. I hope you're making some awesome gains. That beard is looking strong. Appreciate you, my man. Appreciate you. We got some new sunglasses as a birthday gift for fun. We're going to be adding this to the little rotation of sunglasses we already have. Danny Carney, appreciate the birthday wishes, my man. Appreciate the Blue Crew. Much love to y'all. You guys are amazing, man. Yeah, it was a fantastic birthday, man. It felt like a normal birthday. Last year's birthday was kind of like a drive-through birthday. You know, I was sitting in in the driveway and people would just drive by in their cars and wish me a happy birthday, you know, because it was kind of at the heart of this whole situation we're in. And yesterday it was just nice. It felt like a normal birthday. It was pretty awesome. Appreciate everybody. Lady Enigma, it was a great birthday. Guys, much love to the Blue Crew. Appreciate the birthday wishes. Appreciate your guys' support. You guys are amazing, man. Everybody here, you guys are great, man. Moorish Prince, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys. So you guys making some filthy gains? Did you guys make some awesome gains over the weekend? Did you guys accumulate some cryptos that you're interested in? Shout out a crypto that you were buying over the weekend. Let me know. Would love to see what cryptos you were grabbing. Appreciate everybody. So guys, what do we got in the charts here? I'm going to be switching back and forth between Live Coin Watch and CoinGecko because it seems like Live Coin Watch, despite them being a little bit shady, and the reason why I say Live Coin Watch is a little bit shady is because they accept coil transactions or coil donations. But when I go to CoinGecko, my coil ticker isn't like going. So that's kind of why I even switched over to CoinGecko, because I don't want to have to be paying an exchange just to get up-to-date prices with my micropayments. But you know, it is what it is. So right here, it looks like we got Venus trying to go back up to that all-time high of around $80 plus. We got Apollo currency now doing its thing. Shout out to those who kept the faith in Apollo, like Russell C. I hope the best for you, my man. And I hope you make some really wicked gains. Good to see that Apollo's up there doing its thing. Senzo just hanging around that 14-cent range, but we've seen that thing hit 18 cents. Gala, guys, Gala is looking really damn good on the charts because this thing has just been coiling up. Just getting ready for maybe a nice little bounce here. We're testing former resistance as support. So we're going to be seeing where Gala can take us right here. You're seeing some selling pressure, but from the initial impulse up, it's looking actually like a nice 50% retracement, testing the previous resistance as support, and also a long-term support trend right here for Gala. So if we can get a bounce right here from Gala, and this is like a bottom point right here, you could be seeing a nice bounce up to at least 0.36 for Gala, and we certainly hope beyond that, because this one has been coiling up since basically the beginning of near the end of February, all throughout March, just consolidating. You've created a higher low, created your higher high. Now let's just start getting the newer highs here, and hopefully we can start shooting up to around 0.36 cents for Gala. Been enjoying using Gala for, oh my gosh, Hump Day, you're amazing, my man. Thank you for the support, my dude. Thanks for the birthday wishes. You rock, my man. Hump Day, very valued Blue Crew member. Appreciate you, man. Helps us keep doing what we're doing here. And guys, that's really, I was talking to some people yesterday in my family, and they know that I stream, and they were just saying, hey man, keep doing what you're doing. It's great to see what's been going on with your channel. And I was giving kudos to the Blue Crew, man. You guys make this channel happen. You guys, your support keeps us doing what we're doing here. And I was telling them my long-term plans, man. I would love to just be doing this, hanging out with the Blue Crew on the daily and traveling the world, because that's what we could do, man. We could stream while traveling the world and having good times with the Blue Crew, checking out crypto news, seeing our cryptos going up, going down, whichever way, man. We all know we're early in this space, and I appreciate support like that, Humte, so much, and from the Blue Crew. Thank you guys so much. Much love to y'all. You guys are amazing, man. Much love to the Blue Crew. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. It really means a lot. Happy birthday to all the Aries babies out there. It's a wonderful month this month. Yep, that would be a great start for GSX for sure if Apollo keeps going. Work until I die saying, just loving my gains. There's enough to pay off my house and pay for Cybertruck soon as it's built. And this is only the beginning. Hell yeah. XRP number 1. What's up, man? Good evening to you, my dude. Ooh, APL's going to get announced on a top 5 exchange shortly. Ooh, RSC. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like KuCoin would definitely be that type of one that would list Apollo, but you never know. You never know, man. Paul Crispin saying I bought more HBAR, Algo, and Engine. Hell yeah, man. I like all those coins. That's a good variety right there. That's a damn good variety. You go for your like super low cap, you go for your kind of medium low cap, and then you kind of go for your big powerhouse cryptos right there with HBAR and Algo. At least I think HBAR and Algo are big powerhouse cryptos just because of those amazing partnerships and what they're developing for the long term. Those are definitely long-term hodls, and I'm excited to see how they pay off down the line. Because really, guys, if this bull season has taught us anything, it's that patience pays off. Patience. Especially when it came with XRP, right? Especially if you were holding through the bull market and seeing all these other cryptos going up, and then you start seeing your patience paying off with XRP. I mean, showing that it's paying off with a lot of other cryptos as well, right? Russell C with Apollo. Picked up some CHZ. I like that, my man. Any thoughts on SHIB? Lady Enigma, I mean, I don't own any, but I think it's a fun token, and, you know, people definitely dig in. You know, if you're trying to ride off the Doge hype and anything that's involved with, like, a meme or anything like that, you know, Banano ended up popping off. Who says SHIB can't, right? You guys remember Banano? Banano went insane. Like, the meme coins are a real deal. And I think that's why, you know, I was talking with Crypto Mike. We went on a hike the other day, and he's super bullish on meme coin for that very reason. And the fact that its name is meme could really, like, that brand already for a token like that. Who knows what the long-term potential of something like that, especially where you already have NFTs being released on that platform and everything. Who knows what could pay off? It could pay off really big for Crypto Mike with meme token for sure. FOMO'd into Doge. Derek W. Hey man, I wouldn't feel too bad about FOMOing into Doge. Guys, we're talking about the advent of alternative digital currencies here, and you know, the Doge is the king of the meme tokens for right now. It's like it was the first one, right? You got Tesla, and you know, Elon Musk isn't gonna stop talking about Doge. He loves the Doge, right? Still so much more to go for Doge, and who knows, maybe Doge ends up getting a Coinbase listing, especially now with the association of Flare networks. I mean, the possibilities are endless for coins that are connected with the Flare network, especially ones that aren't on Coinbase yet. Remember, when Flare, I think a lot of people forget about this with Flare because it's like the longest airdrop in history, but Flare is going to be on Coinbase because there was XRP holders who claimed their Flare airdrop on Coinbase, right? Remember, Coinbase announced support for the Flare airdrop if you were an XRP holder. So there's going to be Flare on Coinbase when that network is released for real. There's going to be Flare on all of these exchanges that supported the Flare airdrop. It's not Flare airdrop that got delisted from Coinbase, guys, or the Flare token that's getting delisted from Coinbase. Flare is a separate entity from XRP, right? So Flare is going to still be on Coinbase. Flare is going to still be on Uphold, Qcoin, whatever. I know Qcoin and Uphold didn't delist XRP, but you guys get what I'm saying. So once that's announced and once that's official, those coins that are connected to the Flare networks are going to probably have like a new face to them in a way, right? Dogecoin being one of the major ones. And who knows, maybe Coinbase starts to look at Dogecoin very differently because they already see what Flare is going to be doing. Maybe they're waiting for Flare to go live before they can list some of these tokens like the Galas, like the Dogecoins onto Coinbase. And that would be awesome. It would be amazing if Gala, especially, one, like, you know, I already know Engine Coin's a major gaming crypto that's on Coinbase. It would be amazing to see, you know, with that connection to Flare, you start seeing Gala perhaps being on there. And of course, the Dogecoin. Yeah, Paul Crispin, I participated in the airdrop on like multiple platforms, Uphold and Ledger mostly, and then a little bit on Coinbase. I mean, you never know, guys. Like right now, the way the state of the market is, and as long as we're in the Wild West phase of crypto, it doesn't seem like any coin is a bad investment right now. I don't know how long it's going to be that way. You know, we're trying to set ourselves up with, you know, coins that seem like real boats. And I'm paying the price because there's coins that, you know, maybe seem a little bit iffy, but they're gaining like hundreds of percentage gains and making people tremendous profits. And I'm sure, you know, for traders especially, but, you know, we're just trying to, because there is, I certainly hope so. I'm not going to speak in absolutes, but I would certainly hope that regulations do come into this market and shake out the scam tokens, right? Where we can actually see coins that actually have real utility and real purpose and use that solve real world problems, getting the majority of the value in this market, and not just coins that are getting based off speculation. We're still in a highly speculative market. It's still highly manipulated. It's still highly immature. We're talking about just a couple of $1 trillion in this market when there's going to be trillions of dollars here. So we'll see which ones end up surviving. And remember, the green standard is going to happen. A green standard initiative will happen in this space. And the coins that are eco-friendly, high transactions, are going to probably win out. Super low fees. let's see, let the best tech win at the end of the day. That's all I want to see. All I want to see is what is the better technology and having that win out. Because at the end of the day, especially if it's just a blockchain is really simple. It's just a ledger that keeps track of, transactions and the accounts that made those transactions. That's all. It's just a balance sheet at the end of the day. So which technology, which company has the best at tracing those transactions at a high transaction throughput with low fees? Because that certainly helps with cybersecurity as well. Which ones are the most secure balance sheets, blockchains out there? SEC case against XRP looking flimsy. Big implications for the entire space. No, without a doubt, man. And we certainly hope. There's like this guy, a YouTuber named XRP Cowboy, I think. And he brought up some interesting points. So far, what we've seen in the narrative is Ripple is winning basically everything against the SEC right now. But he was bringing up an interesting point that maybe there's going to be like a minor thing that the SEC wins, and like it'll be minor in terms of the whole court case, but in terms of how the crypto space will respond to it, may lead to a dump again in XRP. And so that would be interesting to keep an eye out for. You never know if that, who knows, maybe Ripple just cleans house and just completely destroys the SEC in every way, shape possible. But it does seem likely there might be one little bit of a loss for Ripple in this case. And once again, to the courtroom, it'll seem like a small thing. But, crypto likes to overblow things and sentiment changes really quickly sometimes. So maybe you'll see a dump coming. I'm not trying to spread FUD, just speculating. And this is from XRP Cowboy. I thought it was a really interesting point. So we'll see what ends up happening. But I do agree. It doesn't seem like Ripple's just going to win every single point against the SEC. I'm sure there's going to be one thing that, will go the SEC's way. But we'll see. We'll see. Bones TEP, what's up, my man? Thanks for the donation, my dude. Appreciate your support, man. Thanks for the 99 cents. You're awesome, my man. Thanks for the support. Keeps us doing what we're doing here. Hanging out with the Blue Crew. Talking crypto. Talking about the stuff we love. I still have some wallets I never claimed Spark on. Algo. John Horton was accumulating some algo. Hell yeah. By the way, shout out to anybody who has a Planet Watch. Let me show you guys this. By the way, guys, we do have some news, but we're having a good time catching up with the Blue Crew. It's been about a day or so since we last streamed, and so much to cover at the same time. Turnio announcing. We're excited to announce Natalia as our CFO. Chief Financial Officer. That's good news right there for Turnio. We do have some stellar news today. But speaking of the Algo community, Planet Watch, one of the platforms built on top of Algorand, check this out. Big shout out to all the early bird Planet Watchers, all those who own a Planet Watch sensor on Wednesday, April 14th, will receive a free collectible NFT ready to start your collection. So there you go. Not a bad one. Looks pretty cool. Pretty damn cool NFT, gotta say. Little tree trunk on top of a block here. Wrapped up and wrapping the world up right here. A little bit of snake and egg symbolism right there. Planet Watch is a CERN spinoff. But yeah, Algo. Shout out to the Algorand community and the platforms built on Algo, and certainly looking forward to trying to get a Planet Watch sensor myself. I'll probably be missing out on this NFT, but if you have a Planet Watch sensor, congratulations. Bones TEP, shout out to you, my man. Thank you so much, my dude. I'm loving that Thundercats little meme over there. He's pooping in the cat litter. I like that. Thanks for the $5 donation, my man. You're awesome, dude. Appreciate your support. Green K2K19, what's up, man? EWT and Planet Watch. Exactly, man. The cryptos that are eco-friendly are going to pay off in a big way, I believe, especially in this new green standard future we're going into. You're going to be paid for being an eco-friendly participant on this planet. Planet Watch is a great example. Energy Web Token is another. Get ready, guys. It's going to be fantastic. By the way, guys, I'm not a pro trader, not a financial advisor, and I'll never tell you what to do. Ecnofo, he's saying, let's go, bring the FUD and shake out the weak hands. Exactly, man. We're getting into FUD season, and one of these news articles will be an indication of that. Give me a second. He's gambling on some coins like Hoj Finance and SafeMoon just for fun. Nice, my dude. Just saw the Discord. Oh, no notifications. It's because YouTube doesn't want the Blue Crew expanding. They're seeing the power of the Blue Crew and they're going like, whoa, whoa, whoa. We can't let the power of the Blue Crew expand to more than just 2,300 subscribers. It just can't happen. The moment it gets to 3K, the world's gonna shake. Been using the Tron network to transfer the last few days. Lightning fast, cheap, makes me want some TRX. Hey guys, I mean, you guys know, the Blue Crew knows we were talking about TRX at that 2 cents range for a long time. And I mean, for me, it's more of a speculative trade, but hey, they're showing that they can transact very quickly and cheaply. And, you know, just to give Tron some kudos, remember, Justin Sun did used to work for Ripple as an intern, I believe, or something. He's done presentations for Ripple. And then he was also in Forbes's 30 under 30 student under Jack Ma. So I don't know if he's necessarily like he's either a master scam artist or he's actually, maybe we should start giving him credit and, see what Forbes 30 under 30 saw in him, right? So I don't know. I think, like, guys, Tron was able to go to 25 cents with nothing. No BitTorrent, no anything for Tron. And now you actually got a lot more things during that bear market that have gone for Tron. I'm speculating at least 50 cents for a Tron. I know that sounds outlandish, but it went to 25 cents on nothing, on nothing. I'm not trying to get people here to FOMO into TRX, by the way, because you never know. This whole space is highly risky, right? Especially with something like Tron. But I could see people, definitely getting into Tron. Especially the higher this thing goes, you're going to start seeing more FOMO coming in for TRX. So I think for my targets, especially after, we were speculating at around that 2 cents range, my target is 50 cents. If we hit that, that's going to be amazing. Paul Crispin saying, I got the notification. Okay, YouTube ain't that bad then. Corey Hertzfeld, how's it going, man? Here's a wrench, my dude. Welcome to the Blue Crew, my man. With a wrench comes great responsibility. I've become a fan of the channel the past several weeks. Appreciate that, Corey, man. Yeah, dude, the Blue Crew makes this channel. It's really about the chat here, man. These guys, the coins that these people call out, sometimes I have no clue about them, but we add them to our lists. We check them out. We do research on them. There's a ton of coins that have been recommended, so I haven't been able to do a ton of research on a lot of these. But hey, man, just because I'm not invested in these doesn't mean, you can't just hear out the Blue Crew and maybe check out some of these cryptos they're recommending or saying. Vet agreement with DHL today? Oh, Leo Brazil, if you got a news article for that, please share it in the chat, my man. Appreciate you tuning in. Bones TEP saying Algo's gonna kill it. Yeah, man, it's been consolidating for a long time. And once it hit $1, people just kind of forgot about Algo and just like, I feel like Algo is getting some major disrespect for some reason. It makes no sense. You got Gary Gensler, who's a big fan of Algorand. And remember, he's going to be the SEC commissioner, right? You also got, what's it called? Members of MIT that were working on Algorand. You got CERN spinoffs being made from, the Planet Watcher, which is a CERN spinoff. Major connections with Algorand, and I wouldn't be sleeping on that. Just because it hit $1, people just kind of all of a sudden stop talking about Algorand. And another crypto that just gets so much disrespect but seems like it has no boundaries. I don't know, maybe we're at the top for it because it's just been killing it. But Solana, like, I can't believe there's still not enough people. Like, to me, I think there's not enough people that talk about Solana in this space, man. Not on Twitter, not on YouTube. There's not enough people that give kudos or love to Solana, and I think this is a freaking powerhouse. It's already at rank number 20 in terms of market cap, And that market cap just continues to increase, It's looking like it could be a serious Ethereum competitor, especially considering the block sizes and how cheap Solana is, and the type of projects that have migrated over to Solana, and the projects that are succeeding from being connected to Solana in that ecosystem, like Audius, right? Like Oxygen, like Math Wallet, just to name a few, right? Serum, Radium, all those coins, man. I'm loving that Solana ecosystem, and there's just such utter disrespect for Solana, which makes me think it's still at a good value to accumulate, because not enough people are like super excited or over the top about Solana, which I don't understand. I think like Anatoly is like the real deal big boy. And when I say big boys, guys, I'm talking about like, we're talking about institutions coming into the space, the real tech giants, like guys who have been like, know how to make tech mass adopted, getting into these space, getting into these projects, like a Solana, like an Algorand, right? Like an HBAR, right? They know how to make products that can get mass adopted. They know how to make real innovations that can change the world. Just utter disrespect for Solana and Algorand for sure. XRPOG, what's up, my man? Good to see you, dude. If TRX goes to 50 cents, BTT is going to at least 5 cents. Crypto Sniper, that might be a good call right there, my man. MTV is doing well again. Okay, good to see Multivac doing its thing. XRP, XLM, Algo, XTZ, AKT, Cody, HBAR, Phil, New Cypher, Bones, TEP. I love all those tokens, man. AKT, Akash. We've been looking at this chart for Akash for a good bit, man. And I'm just waiting for it to like really start taking off to maybe go to $10. And I'm not joking for Akash, man. Like, it's just been kind of consolidating. I'm keeping my eye on this one. We were lucky to accumulate it around this range. We got that nice pop off. Now we're just waiting for that next leg up for Akash. Definitely love what they're doing, especially with their connections to Interledger Protocol, Coil, Solana. And by the way, guys, Atom, Cosmos, another one that's just heavily disrespected in this space. Atom has been killing it. I think, well, not killing it, but it's going to kill it. Still at around this $20 range. I don't know why, but in the past 30 days at least, you got a 15% run up. But look at this. It's just baffling. You got a super low total supply of 238 million Atom. It's kind of a, major cap crypto. It was one of the first cryptos that you can earn staking rewards on Coinbase. Coinbase is going to go live or go public in a couple of days. And I think we just got a recent breakout right here from the consolidation for Cosmos. So I'm ready to see this thing start running, man. You can also get some pretty good staking rewards for this one on Cosmos Station, but definitely not as good as you can with Akash. Akash's 50+% APY is just utterly ridiculous, and it's such a tremendous opportunity because for the next 2 years, it looks like Akash is just going to be having that type of APY. So that, that passive income coming for, especially if you get a good amount of AKT, can be really beneficial in the future. But nonetheless, guys, let's start getting into some news. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Already 33 likes, 46 viewers. My gosh. Appreciate the Blue Crew. Much love to y'all. Yeah, HBAR is a big boy crypto without a doubt. Hold Algo on Algorand app and use Algo Optimizer. Paul Chrisman will do, my man. Appreciate that. So far, I'm just earning staking rewards on my Algo on Coinbase and Binance.us, but definitely should probably hold it in its respective wallet. Might have to pack more VeChain. Yeah, dude, VeChain's going to probably blow up sometime soon, too. So many damn good cryptos. All the ones. I love the ones that the Blue Crew is mentioning. Most of them being real boats. And who knows, the other ones seem very speculative. But I hope you guys are making some good trades and some good profits off of that, for sure. So let's start getting into some news, guys. Major Thai bank experimenting with decentralized finance. Kasikorn Bank has identified asset-backed DeFi as having the potential to create economic value for Thailand. Kasikorn Bank, or K-Bank, one of Thailand's largest banks, has begun experimenting with DeFi services as part of its business expansion plan. According to a report by Bangkok Post, the bank's decentralized finance exploration is being spearheaded by K-Bank's tech subsidiary, KBTG. Commenting on K-Bank's DeFi plans, DeFi is a key exploration for K-Bank Group this year. The project is being explored through KBTG under the second phase of the company's digital transformation program. Yeah, get ready for a lot of banks to be going into digital transformation programs. According to Ponpol, DeFi could hold the key to improving financial inclusion for people in Thailand via access to innovative financial services. With this, asset backed from DeFi could also create economic value for Thailand. Asset-backed DeFi comes from regulatory hurdles, given its interaction with real-world assets. With DeFi adoption in the cards, K-Bank is looking to expand its presence in Southeast Asia, especially countries like Vietnam, where about 2/3 of the population remain unbanked. Apart from its planned DeFi experimentation, K-Bank also has a history of crypto and blockchain adoption in Thailand. Back in September 2018, the bank joined Visa's blockchain-based B2P solution for cross-border payment transactions. K-Bank, via KBTG subsidiary, also operates a digital trading platform in collaboration with the Stock Exchange of Thailand. Get ready, guys. This is only just the beginning. When you start seeing things like this, I'm not saying Thailand or Thai Bank is a small, area, but when you start seeing from these parts of the world, you'll start seeing it rippling to these bigger countries, these bigger marketplaces like Singapore, like London, like the US. You'll start seeing other banks starting to implement DeFi applications, and especially with the public listing of Coinbase coming out. And guys, once you're going to start seeing commercials for Coinbase probably. I don't know if you guys have been seeing commercials for SoFi, but SoFi has commercials that are talking about crypto, and you're just watching it on a regular streaming channel like Hulu or something like that. And then SoFi would say, invest in, stocks, ETFs, crypto, right? You're just going to start hearing that more and more in like everyday type of commercials, investing in crypto, earning interest off crypto, right? And you're going to start seeing more banks, applying these DeFi solutions, these staking solutions, bigger APYs, bigger interest for holding crypto assets on their platforms. It's going to be very interesting to see how this all pays off, especially with the advent of the USDC and maybe the USDC being mass adopted by major banks like the Bank of Americas or Chase banks, and then holding USDC in the bank account, earning you rewards as well. It's going to be very interesting, and just another reminder of how early we truly are in this space. So damn early. Happy Monday to you, Justin Davy Duke. Here comes a profitable week. Hell yeah, my man. Happy to hear. I'm at 2x on ask, and I'm asking for 2x more for now. Hell yeah, man. Yep. Wait, Legendary is his NFT platform is Autograph? Like Tom Brady does have a NFT platform coming out, by the way, Blue Crew, if you don't know. It's going to be called Autograph, but did he announce that it's going to be built on Theta? Legendary, do you know something that I don't? That Tom Brady announced that his platform, Autograph, will be built on Theta? Yep, just get ready to bail out if you're in one of them paper boats. Exactly, my dude. Because that tide, that tsunami is coming, man. That tide is going to rise, right? It's going to get... Some of those paper boats won't be able to keep up with that strong of a tide. Frogadelic, the economy is just fine. Thoughts on Ask? I don't know too much about it, my man, but I definitely know some Blue Crew people who are definitely into it. And remember, with low cap coins, you get super high volatility. You'll get those 30% gains, but you also get those 40% crashes, 30% crashes, right? No way. Legendary, please share that article. I would love to see that Autograph is being built on Theta. Holy cow, that can be majorly bullish for Theta. Because guys, Tom Brady just won a Super Bowl. right? And now he's launching a pretty catchy name for an NFT platform called Autograph. And it's not only his name that's attached to it. You got Lionsgate Entertainment attached to it. So you're going to have the film industry attached to it. You're going to have the sports industry attached to it. Very interesting. Man, Theta could definitely blow up if, like, because I remember when I read the article originally, they didn't announce what platform Tom Brady's NFT platform Autograph was going to be built on. So if we find out that it's actually going to be built on Theta, dude, that could be so bullish for Theta. Like, mass adoption coming for Theta, without a doubt. Because Tom Brady doesn't mess around, right? It's not going to be messing around with a paper boat. Not saying Theta is a paper boat. We know Theta is a real boat. But dang, that could be so massively bullish for Theta. So, Binance launches tradable stock tokens in Tesla. As distinct from traditional shares, a stock token can be fractionalized into smaller, more affordable units. Guys, Uphold was ahead of this for a good long bit, being able to buy fractional bits of Uphold, and now you're seeing Binance join in the game as well, meaning that more users can potentially benefit from capital returns on equities. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance is launching tradable stock tokens that aim to enable a wider section of the public to pocket capital returns on equities, including potential dividends, without having to purchase full traditional shares. The first publicly tradable equity in the form of Binance stock token will be Tesla, the share price of which currently hovers around $700 mark. Rather than purchase a full traditional share for which custody of the physical share certificate is required, users can purchase as little as 1/100th of a Tesla share represented by a digital token. Binance stated, each digital token represents one share of equity stock and is fully backed by a depository portfolio of underlying securities that represents the outstanding tokens. Users will be able to trade fractional tokens. Guys, big news coming out for Binance. Binance looking to start getting into the stock game. And it looks like they're doing something here with Tesla. Is there a connection with Tesla that we don't know about that is enabling Binance to do this, right? Or is Binance trying to get Tesla's attention and be like, hey, what's up? We know you like Doge. Can you talk about Binance now? Very interesting nonetheless. Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Shout out to the Blue Crew. You guys are amazing. Always good hanging out with the Blue Crew, man. Truly, nothing's better, man. For sure. Yep, Theta. I'll try to find the article for sure, Legendary. XRT, I like. A little expensive, but might be a strong boat. XRT? Okay, let's check out what XRT is. No, it's not this one, right? Robonomics Network, $70.23. About a circulating supply currently at around 974. You got 9.984 million total supply. We'll definitely just add it to the list, my man, just so it's on the radar. Shout out to the Blue Crew for always bringing up some new cryptos to check out. Appreciate y'all. Let's just look at that website really quick. Hello, human. Connect robotics on top of Polkadot or Ethereum. Enter Robonomics. What are some of the connections that they got going on, man? What's some of the, I mean, aside from being built, I like that they're built on top of Polkadot. That's for sure. Zero X doing its thing. Guys, 36 likes, 46 strong viewers. Appreciate the Blue Crew. Yeah, of course, Orlando XRP Wallace. I mean, guys, if I got to look into that one definitely a little bit deeper, but thanks for shouting it out. But, you know, anytime you shout out a crypto, any one of you guys, any Blue Crew members, you make it aware to the other Blue Crew members around here. And who knows, maybe they look into it definitely way more than I do. And maybe they even invest in it. And maybe they end up paying off, or, you know, maybe it goes down, whichever way. But at least you're bringing another new crypto to the awareness of the Blue Crew. And that's really what it's all about, guys. It's just enhancing our awareness more and more about more cryptos in this space, this digital asset space that is just, we're so damn early to just be in. It's so crazy, man. So early. So many more waves of adoption to come, especially in this digital asset space, digital payments. Only the beginning. So let's get into another piece of news, guys. Speaking of disrespect for Solana, the Solana price rises as airdrops attract new users to the network. Sol price has rallied more than 50% this month as new projects conduct airdrops on the Solana blockchain, and high Ethereum fees push investors to seek cheaper alternatives. Over the past 6 months, blockchain projects have issued token airdrops and have emerged. Most notably, the airdrops of Meme and Uniswap Uni will be remembered as recipients were rewarded with gains ranging from 20,000 to 600,000 simply for holding the tokens on Ethereum competitor, or one Ethereum competitor that has seen numerous projects launch with airdrops in the past 3 weeks is Solana, an open source project that focuses on utilizing blockchain technology to provide decentralized finance solutions. While Solana isn't explicitly making a concerted effort to launch these projects, the protocol's main decentralized exchange, Serum, was responsible for the recent Cope airdrop. Shout out to, I think, J-Roy, making me aware of Cope airdrop, which distributed 2,000 tokens to users who participated in the joint DeFi hackathon held by Solana and Serum. After the airdrop, Cope eventually listed on Serum for 50 cents on March 30th, and the price of the token surged to a high of $5.43 on April 11th, rewarding holders with $10,860. The success of the Cope airdrop promoted a series of token launches and airdrops with similar sounding names, including Hope, Rope, and Cope, whose launches on the Solana blockchains have coincided with 55% rise in the price of Sol since the start of April. Airdrops on the network may have played a small role in the recent price appreciation due to users needing Sol to receive airdrop tokens, but this is not possible to ascertain based on the available data. Interactions on the Solana blockchain, including the addition of new tokens to Solana's Sollet wallet, require small amounts of Sol to complete the contract executions. Thus, users rushing to sign up for the airdrops before they filled up would have needed to purchase Sol and found their wallets in order to create new addresses and airdrop tokens. Analysts expect the airdrop trend to continue. For those worried that they missed out on the airdrop season is over, a recent tweet from Solana's Twitter feed suggests that Solana ecosystem is just getting started, meaning the likelihood of future airdrops remains high. New projects building on Solana, Hedgehog market, prediction market platform, Solstarter.org. Shout out to Thea D for making us aware of Solstarter. HXRO or Hero Network. Guys, I mean, I'm just excited for any project that's in that Solana ecosystem, especially collaborating with Solana. HXRO or Hero is definitely one I'm keeping my eyes out for, and Media Network. Really excited for Media Network, a peer-to-peer content delivery network. Who knows what the potential with that one can bring as well. But definitely liking the future for Solana. And I think, with that 500 million total supply, and if they are truly the fastest blockchain, and if proof of history is as, what's it called? If proof of history is as big of a deal, at least for lack of a better phrase, I guess, as big of a deal as I think of it is, in terms of the way it reaches consensus, proof of history, or proof of time, Solana is just really getting started, and it's such a young blockchain at the end of the day. So we'll end up seeing where this one ultimately ends up going. It could be overpriced because it has just been going straight crazy towards the upside. That's why I say Solana knows no boundaries, because literally it's been making history, and yet there's still so much disrespect. Nobody, I think I'm the only YouTube channel that hypes it up as much as I do, right? I'm not trying to get people to FOMO into Solana, but I'm just find it so weird that a crypto that has gained so much percentage in gains, literally apart from any other crypto in the space. 2020 was an amazing year for Solana, and now 2021 is looking like it's continuing that trend. And still people, I don't think, have been catching on to what the heck Solana is doing, and this ecosystem that is just vastly growing. Super high transaction rates, possibly the highest transaction speed in the whole crypto space, super low fees, very unique form of consensus. Very interested to see where this ecosystem is going to be going. and when people will actually start catching on to it. Because then once, you know, I think that's what's really appealing it to me, is that not enough people talk about it. So I don't feel like the hype is necessarily still there yet for Solana, but we'll see. What's up, Blue Crew? We got XRP Bags in the house, Bagman in the house. How you doing, XRP Bags? He's probably already island hopping. He's moon hopping, moon island hopping, whatever hopping. XRP Bags, the Bagman. Thanks for being such a long-term supporter of this channel, man. Appreciate you, bro. Can't wait to be island hopping with you, dude. He's got his sword sharpened. He's a samurai. He's ready to go on the Flare Finance beta. The partnership with DHL has huge potential because VeChain will be supported by DHL Innovation Center while working together with the company in its logistics business. Leo Brazil, dude, we love VeChain for sure, man. VeChain, without a doubt, man. It's just gotta... I can't wait to start seeing VeChain barcodes on all the products in our markets when you want to see what the history of a product is through the supply chain. It's going to be amazing times ahead, man. Still so damn early on VeChain. Still so damn early, but amazing partnerships without a doubt. And don't forget other supply chain coins like the IOTAs. Like IOTA's got some major partnerships as well in terms of supply chain. Part of the Hyperledger Consortium, which is a really big deal because they're led by Accenture and the DTCC. Can't wait to see VeChain join them as well. But the future's bright for those supply chain tracking tokens, without a doubt. Track as well, Origin Trail. Orlando Wallace saying, found you GDLT from Bags' late night live stream back in the day. You came in eating a bowl of noodles or something, then I knew you were a boss. Sounds like me, dude. Sounds like me. Just tuning in, hanging out on the video stream. Seawind 1370, that's a real boat, ready for island hopping. Nice, my man. Paul Crispin's ready for island hopping, dude. You guys are amazing, man. Almost 40 likes. Strong viewers. 41 strong viewers. Appreciate everybody here. Thank you guys for the support. Let's keep moving on, man. We got more news. And speaking of FUD season, I mean, I don't know how you guys feel about this. And you guys can tell me maybe it's actually something to be concerned about. But I think it's, even if it is true, even if this article maybe does bring on some worry about Stellar or XLM, I think it's good to just get mentally prepared for articles like this that might maybe try to deter you away from real boats, right? Like, what if you were to see something like this for Algorand or XRP or HBAR and things like that? It's good to just get mentally prepared, because for some of these coins that are actually going to have a significant impact in the future, you're going to be seeing FUD articles like these that'll maybe make you, you know, have a little bit of weak hands, maybe make you sell even a small portion of your bag or all of your bag, because you're like, oh, that's it, man. There's issues with it. I want my project to just have no issues. Because that's where I feel it'll be like a you know, crypto that's really going to truly blow up. Guys, there's been major FUD for BTC. BTC has appreciated in price tremendously. There's been major FUD for Ethereum. Ethereum has, you know, appreciated tremendously. You know, not saying that it'll happen for Stellar or XLM, but I'm interested to gauge the sentiment of the Blue Crew now about Stellar and XLM, and what do you guys think? Has your mind changed because of these recent developments that have happened with Stellar? So we're going to get into this news for sure. Stellar Foundation implements protocol upgrade following node outage. A fix has been implemented after an outage caused certain nodes, including those run by the Stellar Development Foundation, to go offline. The Stellar Development Foundation has executed a protocol upgrade to its network after an issue was detected that caused several nodes to go dark. According to a blog post Thursday, an outage on April 6 caused validating Horizon nodes and validating nodes, including those run by the Stellar Development Foundation, to go offline for a short while. An upgrade was introduced April 10th after it was reported that certain organizations had difficulty recovering network access. The new protocol's 16 upgrade is said to have fixed the issue, which was affecting multiple nodes but did not affect the stability of the network. There were enough validators to process transactions. A company fact explains that Stellar Foundation's validator nodes has ceased processing ledgers while the public Horizon instance stopped recording them. For a brief period of time, it was unable to serve requests or submit transactions to the network. To rectify the issue, the Foundation said engineers worked on a fix and rolled out a patch later in the day. 2 days later, Stellar Core version 16 was released and voted by the network validators, resulting in the upgrade. All affected nodes should be able to upgrade to Protocol 16 compatible software and restore network access, said the Foundation. So definitely would like to know how you guys are interpreting this article from Stellar. Do you guys think this is something to be worried about? Are you guys selling a portion of your XLM bags for other bags? What do you guys think, man? Do you think it's Stellar starting to show, with mass adoption coming or more adoption coming into the space, you're starting to see some of these tech, seeing if the tech for a lot of these cryptos can hold up? What do you guys think? What's your sentiment because of this type of news from Stellar? Especially if you're an XLM holder and Stellar holder, I'd like to know what your opinion is on this. Do you think this is just major FUD, or is this something to be concerned about? Let me know. Stella! Animal 54, what's up, man? Crypto Sniper saying my XLM is not for sale. I like that, man. You got strong hands. You know what you hold. Is it still down? No. They're not down anymore. The thing is that the protocol was still initiating transactions that certain validators weren't up and running, right? Yep, Squirrely Crypto saying, I smell FUD. If it's a copy of the XRP ledger, how can it go down? I'm at work, just stopping by to say hi and hit the like button. Ralph Cooper, you rock, my man. Guys, thanks for the 51 viewers and the 39 likes. Appreciate everybody tuning in and appreciate any new subs to the channel. We're on our way to 3K and it's because of the Blue Crew. Much love to y'all. It's all about you guys. I like what is being built on top of Stellar. Z House, for example. JTS. Digging it. So far... Let me see. So far, some pretty good sentiment, despite the FUD, right? Would be an issue if nodes go down and they are supposed to be the ones moving CBDCs. Squirrely Crypto, I hear you on that. Joel Katz had a nice thread on Hit Twatter about XLM recent trouble. Oh, Orlando Wallace, do you have that post, man? I'd like to see that from Joel Katz. I'll be waiting on West Maui for my Silent 80 solar yacht to be built and delivered, so I'll be island living first, then hopping. Do you guys think it'll be like Mortal Engines, where you'll just like make an island that can move anywhere? Like you just transform a whole island into some mass, like it can just move across the ocean. It's just a massive boat island. Smells like FUD. XLM is pretty important in the game, and I think so too, Squirrely. I think they're trying to really shake out some hands before Coinbase goes public, because I have a feeling, I don't know if it'll happen right away, but I think after Coinbase goes public, throughout the year possibly, maybe it happens right away. You can't predict the future, but I think anything under $1 on Coinbase is probably going to appreciate to be around $1 or above $1 sometime soon, but that's no guarantee, but I would think so now that you're introducing a larger audience to Coinbase. Don't think it's FUD, but nothing to worry about. Okay, XRP number one, I hear you. Still holding XLM, small bag though, I hear you. XLM is Jeb. Jeb cannot be trusted. Justin Davy Duke, I hear you, man. Some people are definitely don't trust Jeb McCaleb. I wouldn't sell Stellar in a bull flag. No, John Horton, there we go, man. XRP OG is saying it's FUD. XRP bag saying less than stellar. Very less than stellar. Stellar is fine. It's just on pause because of ETH 2. Okay, I hear you. The platforms, whoa. The platform should be able to function without hurting the users. XLM is not the problem, or was not the problem. It was the platform that screwed up from my understanding. I hear you. 2 words, Acon City. Yep, smart cities being built on Stellar for sure, my man.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
But who knows? Maybe that's just a way to get people into Stellar so they can pull the rug out from under them, you know? Use celebrities investing in a certain crypto to get the sheep going their way and then pull the rug out. But who knows, man? I'm not trying to say it, but you know, got to take into account all the possibilities that are out there. Old news, it's fixed and ready for takeoff. Still holding my 19th out. Awesome, Derek W. XLM is going to be a part of the FLR. It'll be fine. Yep, Paul Chrisman, I hear you. I only had like 10% of a bag compared to XRP, and no, I ain't scared. Still have it. Nice. I'll get it looking now. Got it. Stellar also halted in 2019 during a bear market. Ooh, XRP bags. Good point. Good point, my man. I mean, that's the thing with Stellar, right? Is that they keep changing so much about it. They change their CEOs. They change, you know, they keep changing chairs, keep changing positions, keep changing people who are representing the Stellar Development Foundation. They keep changing the supply, or not keep changing, but they change the supply. There's just so many changes that it seems like they didn't have well thought out from the beginning to do, right? I mean, at least they're willing to admit their mistakes, which is great, but it's not something that you just want to, you want to just see something that's just running as is and showing that, yeah, this was ahead of its time type of thing, not evolving with the times, but that's neither here nor there. I'm still holding my Stellar, so just letting you guys know, but I'm just trying to gauge the sentiment of the Blue Crew. MTV was killing it last night on Qcoin. It hit 2 cents. And the reason why I'm mostly holding Stellar is for a hedge with XRP. In case if XRP isn't the one, which I do believe it is, it's the Phoenix. Maybe Stellar, you know, would it be the one then? One of these two, in terms of consensus, in terms of a federal Byzantine agreement type of form of consensus, is going to win out and have a major player, be a major player in this future. And maybe both of them will be. It's totally possible for both of them to be that way. I just know Ripple and XRP have a major head start. You got early Bitcoin developers that worked on the XRPL. You got, what's it called? Major connections with Ripple and what they've done ahead of Stellar Foundation, right? Hell, they didn't like the ideas that Jed was bringing to the table, right? And maybe that's going to be a payoff or not a payoff for Ripple in the future. But I think it is. I think Ripple was on the right side of that. Who knows? What price is Moon in your eyes, GDLT? For which token, my man? RPM for which token? For Stellar or XRP? Crypto will make people rich. We're in the paradigm shift. I love that, Squirrely. I was watching it on a little ticker on my laptop. Nice. It'll still pump. Yeah, dude. I mean, everything's still pumping in this bull market, as long as we're still in the Wild West phase. I'm holding XLM to dump on Jed. I like that. What is Moon in my eyes for XTC? I'd say about 25 cents. 25 cents for RPM would be amazing. I mean, for XTC. Only one private floating habit will be built by Migaloo. XRP Moon equals $10. Dude, that'd be amazing, man. Feel bad. I used and abused my XLM, moving it to my trading portfolio, but I'll still re-up before big pump. Yep. It was a jungle deck and beach deck and garden deck. And here, let me check this out. Work until I die. Oh wow, we had a significant drop in likes. I guess people were just like, yeah, we're not taking it there. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the fun. Holy cow, that looks amazing, my dude. This is what the heck is this? You guys see this? Look at this. What the heck is that? It's like a little island. Wow. That's futuristic as hell. Work until I die, already setting up his place he's gonna be living at. Elron is live, Myar is live, staking is live. Now the Myar exchange is coming. Get your e-gold ready. Be part of the snapshots. Claim your MEX tokens April 19th. Navadula, that's awesome, dude. That's my XRP Castles Island yacht. I will hold XRP and XLM forever. I hear you. Alrighty, guys, so let's get into the last piece of news for the stream. Biden administration concerned over long-term effects of digital yuan report. Officials at multiple government departments are increasing efforts to better understand any possible threat posed to the US dollar by China's digital yuan. President Joe Biden administration is reportedly troubled by the long-term effects a digital yuan may have on the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency. According to a Sunday report by Bloomberg citing unnamed sources, officials at multiple government departments are increasing efforts to better understand possible threats posed by China's initiative. Officials at the U.S. Treasury, State Department, Pentagon, and National Security Council are reportedly unfazed by the short-term impacts of the digital yuan or China's digital currency electronic payment DCEP system. Many have or may have on the dollar. Challenges to the U.S. global reserve currency status over the long term, however, are a major concern. Officials have begun ramping up their efforts to understand how the digital yuan will be distributed and whether it works around trade sanctions. According to the report, China began developing the DCEP system with the involvement of the country's largest state-owned banks, as well as the payments giants Tencent and Ant Financial in 2019. The project has since gone through multiple test runs, including gifting digital red packets of money to citizens via a lottery that was then spent at participating stores in select cities across China. Because of these moves, China's central bank is positioned to be the first major central bank to issue a digital currency, giving a DCEP a head start, an advantage that the U.S. officials are starting to worry about as well. Guys, man, it's like watching a freaking movie, man. I can't wait to see how this all comes together. Who's going to be the first? Who's going to be the last? Are they all going to come out together with their digital currencies? It's crazy seeing what the development side by side with the crypto market just going bananas in terms of this bull market. But then you're also having CBDCs getting closer and closer to being a reality and actually being used in the public, or maybe not. Who knows, man, what this is all about, this whole story about the race of US versus China in terms of digital currency dominance. We'll see what ends up happening, guys, but we just all know a level playing field is coming, and what that's going to look like, none of us will have, it's hard to imagine, that's for sure. Yeah, exactly, Squirrely Crypto. So it's hard for me at this stage to think XRP will be worth X amount of dollars. If it's meant to replace the dollar, it will be worth XRP. That's the thing, though. What if the dollar... Because remember, Chris Larson has said XRP is not here to replace the dollar. It's meant to be a bridge currency for all these other CBDCs, right? All these other for fiat. Like Chris Larson has says, XRPL will make fiat stronger. Right? So is fiat going to stop becoming an inflationary asset? And is it going to transform into something that's finite? Is there going to be a finite amount of fiat? Because then that could really change a lot of people's perceptions of fiat down the line, right? If it becomes a finite amount and it isn't just getting inflated to oblivion, right? There is that possibility fiat can still change, you guys, right? And that's something we have to keep in mind. So does it get pegged to a gold standard? Does it get pegged to another standard? Whichever that standard may be. Some people hoping the XRP standard, right? So what's going to be happening there? There's still that possibility that fiat can be perceived differently in the future. Currently, right now, fiat is just completely worthless. It's getting printed into oblivion. So if that's just going to continue, then these deflationary or, finite assets are going to seem really appealing to a lot of people. And that's what we're seeing here in terms of the crypto market and this bull market that's been happening, right? I'm imagining this new financial system will be with me chilling on a yacht. That's a good vision right there, my man. Alchemist, what's up, man? Elon Musk tweeted about elongate tokens. No way, Navidula. That's insane. This is a good vape pen. What do you think of elongate tokens? I mean, as a speculative thing, maybe they're really fun, man. I mean, if you're into them, I just hope you make ridiculous gains off of them, man. I guess I'm too scared to ride the lightning, but at the end of the day, when you're in this crypto space, you are riding the lightning because there's no guarantees. No guarantees that any of these cryptos will survive into the future. We certainly hope there's guarantees, but certainly have been seeing things going in the directions that it seems like it's a guarantee they won't be going away. But we're just going through it day by day with the Blue Crew, trying to figure out what's happening next, informing ourselves. XRP Joe, what's up, my man? That's why I hold gold and silver as well as crypto. Paul Chrisman, very smart, man. If you like digital currencies, you'd be very smart to be diversified into precious metals as well, especially right now with precious metals because they're so undervalued right now. It's crazy where the prices of like an ounce for gold or even for silver is at. It's just crazily undervalued. And there's so many distractions away from the precious metals market right now with NFTs, with crypto, with economics, with what's going on with climate change, social issues, all this stuff, just so many distractions. And millennials, a ton of millennials just maybe don't even have any interest in precious metals. So it might be just perfect time to be just raking in those precious metals without a doubt. Some countries will peg their dollars to gold and silver. It looks like that, Paul Chrisman. Definitely looks like we'll be going into a certain standard, man. It's only getting more and more expensive to mine for those precious metals, and it's getting harder to find as well. Hence why it's becoming more expensive. But guys, shout out to the Blue Crew, guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. We're going to be tuning out. That was it for a DL Talk today. I'll see you guys tonight for another DLT late night live stream. Much love to everybody tuning in. You guys are amazing. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, Orlando Wallace community, Crypto Scroll community, Alchemist community, Ape community, Work Until I Die community, XRP Bags community, the Ghost Fam community, Bullish Fam community, all the communities out there. Guys, the future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. See you later, Blue Crew. DLT late night tonight. Adios. Much love, y'all. You guys are amazing, man. Always good hanging out with y'all.